flying around in circle. All praises to the Most High, yeah, the one that revealed things to come. I hope you guys are doing great. So this video, I was in my car and I just look up and I saw all these birds flying around. So I got out and start videoing. So what the Most High is saying that Canada is gonna get a major disaster, which I told you guys already. Yeah, I said Canada is gonna get a big earthquake, 8 something. It's gonna measure around 8, and sometimes when you show things, it doesn't happen the same time, right? But the closer it is, it is to happen, yeah, will show me back again, like in a dream or so on. And what yeah also is showing is major accident. Canada is gonna get either like a bus crash, plane, train crash, but some major accident, yeah, is showing. So guys, pray, as I always said, because sometimes when we pray, God, will return. Well, it cannot go back to him, but it can send it to another country, right? Because whatever destruction sent out, it cannot go back to him, but he can send it to another country. So pray that he has sent it somewhere else, well, it's gonna be bad for that next country anyway. So anyway you take it, it's not gonna be good, but it cannot go back to him. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Good night.